This is my room at Tshingwana. This is a double bed. It's a small workstation there with a kettle. Coffee, sugar, tea, and milk that side. And there's a television. It's a microwave and a small cupboard. Looks like these people don't want you to stay for long. They just want you to stay for a few days, and before they get fed up, they want you gone before they are fed up with you. And there's not there's a fan to chill you down, and there's a small heater there. This side, there's a basin, the bathroom, toilet. Quite small but sufficient. And there's a walk-in shower. Yeah, that's the whole setup. That's the whole setup here at Tshingwana Guest Lodge. I think this lodge has got a 3-star rating. It's just average and comfy. I think I've just received my dinner. I suppose this is stewing beef. There's a dessert and salad. And there's rice. I've run out of space to put my stuff. There's rice and veg. The presentation is quite good. Rice and veg, salt and pepper, I suppose. So that's the whole deal. And there's a small dustbin there. It's a small bar refrigerator. And that's it. Good to go. This is our breakfast at Tshingwana Lodge looks like. Toast. Intelligence Agency. Sources tell CNN the analysis suggests the U.S. strikes did not destroy the core components of Iran's nuclear facilities. Instead, they may have set Iran's nuclear facilities back by mere months. Sources say the impact to the Isfahan, Fordo, and Natanz bacon and sausage, largely restricted to above-ground structures. However, beans, the inconclusive results, muffin. It's a whole lot. It's amazing how much food they give you here. We are towards Iran's nuclear project. If anyone in Iran attempts to revive this project, we will act with the same determination, with the same strength to cut off any such attempt.